All right, team. Coach Travel is back here, letting you know what happened today with SPY and SPX. So we did start out a little bullish, and now the stock has found another bottom. So what's going on? Let's check it out. So we did take off today, came back over, and this is exactly what we talk about in some of our chat groups and the courses. Check it out. So we did what we call chop around all day. So if you own any type of puts, calls, any type of option, guys, this is what kills options, and I'm going to help you out. I'm going to show you how to save your options in the future, guys. Okay, so check this out. We're going to highlight this area that was the chop zone for SPX. I'm going to light that up so you can still see through that window. Okay, now if you own a 0 DTE or any type of SPX or SPY option for this week, guys, you probably got burned up right in here. Now, if you can afford, you want to buy some time, because this is going to eat you guys up. But if you buy time, nothing is going to happen to your option contract. There's two things you need to focus on, and let me show you. Those two things are, you need a good delta, meaning you want to be above 30 delta if you're going to buy something for the week, guys. But I'm still going to suggest that you do it with a little bit more time than that. Okay, so we need a good delta. And then you also need a good Vega. Okay. Now, some people will say, well, what about theta? Well, great question. I'm glad you asked it. Your theta goal, guys, should be less than 1.0. If you're buying thetas that are 2.0, 3.0, I've even seen them up around 8.0 or higher, you are going to get burnt in these areas. So be very, very careful. But for now, we're chopping and we are closing or close at the 52.16 area. What's going to happen tomorrow? I personally think we're going to keep dropping. Let me show you why. If you take a look at the higher time frames, like I always tell you guys, okay, look at the 30-minute time frame on SPX. What do you see? That's right, guys, we are still in a downtrend. And don't forget, guys, if you're finding value in these videos, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time I put up a video. Okay, and if you think that there's more value, hit that thumbs up button, guys. It helps the channel out. Okay, so let's take a look at what it did today, guys, and it is very simple math. Okay, we did have a big run up, and now we are stuck in this channel. Okay, and check it out. We did find support, and if you're looking at this channel, okay, this is what concerns me right in here, guys. Okay, and I'm gonna extend this arrow and I'm gonna leave it there. Okay, what concerns me is that we have a nice resistance here. That's normal. We have support here, and then we hit the same support again, but this time we didn't make it back to the old resistance line. We have a lower resistance, which means to me that we're going to end up down here potentially tomorrow morning, guys. I'm talking about under 5,200. Now, what did I buy today? Yes, I bought SPX puts, guys. Why? Because charts don't lie. Look at the 30-minute cloud, guys. Okay, I'm going to take this off. The 30-minute cloud started up, and if you guys watch my other videos, 30 minutes right there. Okay, if you're an experienced trader, you know what time it is, guys. It's time to get in. If you're not, I'm going to leave you guys a link below. Go check out my courses. Courses are on sale, guys. $1 a day. You can't beat that. You get 30 days money back guarantee. Now, if you want to test drive the courses, I have 2 courses that are wide open, guys. You can go view them for free. Okay, and after that, let me know in the comments, guys, what you thought about the courses. All right, so what is knocking down the market, guys? Yes, something is bringing it down. Microsoft. Remember, Microsoft now is the biggest market cap, and it's not Apple anymore, guys. It's Microsoft. And check it out. It is pulling back very nicely. This is healthy for stock, guys. So don't start getting worried and saying, oh my God, we're going down. Nope. Look at this support line. So this is the original support for Microsoft. Okay. We went down there, we found it, and we bounced up. Okay, now can we keep going lower? Absolutely. Okay, we are having healthy pullbacks, guys, and we are rejecting this cloud here. If you guys have not signed up for my indicator, you're missing out, guys. You could have had a nice short entry there. You could have sold right in here. You could have had another short entry here and ride it all the way down like some of the students that we have in the bull ring, guys. Okay, but for now, Microsoft did go up, found resistance, pulled back. Naturally, if you use the fib, you'll know where we're at on the fib. This was a very healthy rejection here. This is around the 50% area for Microsoft based off this resistance. Okay, now can we go under a little bit more? Absolutely. I think we'll find a happy medium tomorrow. So for now, Microsoft is pushing the market down, guys. So be careful with your entries. Now, what about Tesla? We continue to hear about Tesla all day in YouTube and different chat groups, guys. Tesla's not playing around. Okay, it's trying to stay up. A lot of people want it to go down because they think that it's not worth it. They think it's going to go to 160. It's going to go to 140. But look at what the market makers are doing, guys. They're keeping us in between these lines. Okay, now if you're long Tesla and you got up at a different level, guys, I'm going to suggest you sign up for my courses to help you get out of a bad trade. Okay, there is a way to fix your trade. If you bought Tesla here and then it started to go down, guys, there is a way to fix what just happened. Sign up for my courses, link below. But for now, Tesla is not moving very far. It's got about a $4 range. So if you're day trading it, not a bad range. But if you're buying for long and hoping it goes up, that's not a good sign, guys. So be careful with Tesla if you're trying to go long. All right, I want to cover one more for you guys, and that is Netflix, guys. I jumped into Netflix, and now we have somewhat of resistance going across Netflix, but I am bullish on it just because Netflix has announced that they're doing sporting, and I know more announcements are coming soon, guys. Now, if you jump into a stock like Netflix, guys, you have to understand what the ATR is. Meaning, what is the range? How much is it going to go up or down? I suggest you guys add average to range just to look at what's going on with it on a daily level. So if I switch over to Netflix on the daily level and you look at this label here on the right hand side, it is a $13.47 range for Netflix, guys. So what does that mean? That means that if you are day trading it, it could potentially go up and down $13. So let me show you something real quick. Hopefully this encourages you guys to go check out the courses. Okay, now this is free stuff here, guys, no problem. I want you guys to get a feel for what you're going to get in these courses. Okay, so now if I look at Netflix, let's create a box. This is something I suggest for all traders to do. And when you create a box, we're basically saying, hey, this is where it went up. This is how far it went down. So let's do that here. So we have 9:30 mark when the market opened right in here. And we dropped nicely. Check that out. Now, if I take a measured move, guys, and I go from the bottom all the way to the top, that's $7. Okay, so it did not fulfill its range. Why not? What I've seen in the past is that market makers are going to save some of their money. Why? They don't buy as much as they do daily. Okay. And they're going to do this because they are going to come in with a big push maybe to trap bears. So be careful there. I am in on it. The reason I got in is because of the announcements, guys. And then we have a very nice bullish uptrend still. We are still bullish on this, okay? We do have a cloud flip here. Not worried about that. I know how to fix a trade. I know how to hedge it. So not worried at all for Netflix. One thing I want to show you guys based off what I just told you. If you guys have TradingView, come over here to the side, guys, and you can see, okay, let me turn on my beautiful magic marker. You can see here on the side, if you guys use TradingView, look at this information right in here. And what I'm going to focus in on, guys, okay, is the volume for the day is 1.73 million trades. The average is usually 3.26, which we didn't get up that far, which verifies to me what I just told you is they're saving their money. Someone is saving money to come in with big buys. Now, why would they do that? Well, maybe a little bear trap up here, or they're going to buy the dip. Guys, I would, wouldn't you? Okay, now if you had that much money, you would wait for the stock to get down here in this gap, and then boom, you're going to buy it up, okay? So if you're using TradingView, guys, check that out there. If you want to see why is this trade not really moving, go check out the volume for the day. And if you see what I see, then you'll understand what's going on. So maybe you decide, well, I don't think I'm going to buy today based off what I see, or maybe I do buy based off what I see. But if you need more help with that, guys, again, I'm leaving you a link below for the courses. Until next time, wishing you guys a very green week.